Hi my viewers, if you are looking for English speaking videos because you have tried many things but still you are not able to speak in English, then please stay connected with me, and in this video I will try at my level best to share my experience among all my viewers that could really help you to improve your English speaking skills. But first of all, you just need to keep patience and practice day by day. Okay, and also try to speak at least 10 minutes in the morning and 10 minutes in the evening. Okay, and don't feel shy whenever it comes to take help from your seniors who can speak English like a native speaker. So please don't be shy and ask them and try to practice again and again. Also try to watch videos and not just watch videos. Okay, try to learn from all those videos and it will help you. I'm telling you now, it will help you 100%. It will help you and it will work for you also. So, and try to increase your vocabulary, because when you watch videos on different topics, what will you get? You will get different word meanings. And when you boost your vocabulary, you will become able to translate many sentences into English because of the help of vocabulary. So vocabulary is also very important. And in the last, try to write your daily routine in English, because I did. That's why I am telling you, and I got advantage of that when I was a learner of this language. I also felt hesitation when it came to speak among the people in public, because I had no experience actually how to start the English sentences and how to start speaking in English. But I just followed my teachers, and after following them for next 10 or 20 days, I realized it is working for me. So I started taking this all seriously, and the result, you can feel that my English is also being improved. Yeah, in this video I am speaking a little bit slow just to keep the thing easy for my viewers. That's why. Okay, because I'm an English teacher, so it is my responsibility, I think, that what actually I can do for you to make you comfort. And it is just my request to all my viewers that please support me and share this video if you like. Have a great day.